turn this on, I could get the pilot to come on when I self-light it, but it wouldn't stay on. So that's usually a symptom of a bad thermopile. And this is looking really bad, so I'm trying to clean it, but it's a possibility this thing is all the way burned out. We're gonna clean it first, see if we can get it to come back to life so that the pilot will stay on. If that's almost always the cause of why pilots don't stay on, is a dirty thermopile or a damaged one. This one might be pretty much burnt out, but let's find out. We'll clean it, give it a good cleaning. If that solves it and the pilot stays on, we've solved it. If not, we'll have to order a new assembly for it. Also, you need a new filter too. This filter is through. Yeah, I can't use that. That's just gonna overheat it. So we'll keep cleaning that. I can do it like this. Kind of see. All right, so we're measuring the millivolts off of the thermopile. When we touch it, we get 11 milliamps. That's with the pilot on, as you can see. Or if you can't see, it's kind of hard to see. But, so 11 milliamps. I'm gonna look that up real quick, but you can let go now. It's not gonna work anyway. So, all right. Okay, it wants the rating for this is 300. You see that was 11, so it's dead. So this whole assembly here we need a new one. So what I will do is write down the model number, and I'll see about ordering that for you. I don't know how hard it is to get that yet. I don't know. We'll see. They may have them still. I'll check into that for you. See what's available. I don't know if Home Depot would even have that. I doubt it. They have thermopiles, but maybe not the right type for this one. I'm gonna look into it for you. But that's pretty much